Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a sticker to the video. To make videos like this, you need to add a sticker to your videos. Note that this is a simple example and you can make some very interesting videos with this way. To do this, we enter the software, select the file. For example, this one. We enter the sticker section. I explained the canvas and music in previous post, you can refer to it. There we have many stickers that you can download and use any of them. From this section we enter our stickers and select the file we need, and then we give it the desired changes. You can also add text on it, for example this one. In the next videos I will show you how to add text to the video. Thanks for watching.